Back here with Happy Chappy, and today we're going to be about nature, birds again. Um, as I watched the birds today, it was like they were residing back to their home. Um, Not as many, but there was a few, and they bounced from home to home. There was another home nearby, and I wasn't even studying. I just happened to notice, and all of a sudden I started noticing there was one garden up from me, and it had feeding in it for the birds. But it was all the baby birds that was going to that garden. Flocks of them. And then I was watching the bigger birds, and it was near like they were observing the bigger birds. It was like a training. It was near like a shopkeeper giving children sweets and teaching them this is how you get fat. But yeah, it was just birds. Um, and then I'd watch from the home of the bigger birds, and they would fly down one or two at a time. Normally, when you seen one, you'd see one follow up one shortly afterwards, or two would fly together. And they would scoot down as if they were checking out their path. Yet, when they'd move in flocks, they would never travel far together. They would always just move in short distances. It was interesting. Interesting when you look at groups of people. You would never see big groups of people traveling together in long distance. It's normally spread out. Um, but yeah, this is just observing the birds and nature. This Happy Chappy. Love and peace.